The RockJam 61-key piano kit offers a comprehensive package for beginners and experienced players alike, featuring a digital keyboard with full-size keys that provide a traditional piano feel. With its touch display panel, the RockJam keyboard allows easy access to 200 rhythms, 200 tones, a teaching function, and 30 demo songs, making it an excellent learning tool. The keyboard's record and playback feature, along with MIDI output compatibility, enables users to integrate with digital audio workstations, enhancing creativity and sound layering. The included adjustable stand is designed to accommodate players of all ages, providing stability and comfort during practice or performance. The RockJam sustain pedal is versatile and compatible with any electronic piano or keyboard brand, thanks to its polarity switch and durable design. This sustain pedal also features a long cable and a non-slip base, ensuring reliable performance and a realistic playing experience for both novice and seasoned musicians.